Hello everyone, wish you all a wonderful new year. In this video, I'm going to show you how I converted a twin bed into a couch. Until I got this idea, we tried different ways like wrapping a bunch of pillows as a backrest for the bed, but we didn't like the look. We also considered making bolstered pillows for the side and one long pillow for the back. Then my husband got this idea of making everything together. I made this pattern for that idea and decided to give it a go. I wanted to make this couch pillow as budget friendly as possible, so I used the supplies I already had at home. For the fabric, I used one queen size flat sheet, also known as bedspread. For the stuffing, I used pillows on sale from Target. I'll share the pattern details and the steps of how I made this pillow on my blog. Since it's a really big pillow, I couldn't record or take pictures of the step-by-step process. In case you want to attempt this project and have any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comments below or DM me in any of my social media. After completing the pillow, I really loved how the measurements were perfect, but once we started using the couch, I kind of felt the pillow was starting to lose its shape due to my 3-year-old jumping on one side of the pillow. To solve this, I attempted tufting the pillow. To make the tufts, you need fabric cover buttons. Since it will cost around $10 to $15 to buy covers for that, I made my own. Let me show you how I made the buttons first and then the tufting process. I tried to make the button base with a shrink film, but it didn't work. So I used the cover of a takeout box and made half-inch circles for the base. For this, I first made the template out of a paper and then I traced the circles on the takeout box and cut them with the scissors. Once the circles are cut, place them on a piece of cardboard and use a needle to poke holes in the middle of the plastic circle you just cut, just like how it will look in the 2-hole buttons. Double the thread and thread the needle. Make couple of knots at the end. Insert it into one of the holes you just made. Then insert a bead which you're planning to use as a loop. Then insert the needle into the other hole. Tie the ends together 2 or 3 times and cut the excess thread. Add a piece of duct tape securing the knot for extra safety. Use the base of the button you just made as a template and cut a piece of fabric circle measuring ½ inch more than the plastic circle diameter. Again, thread the needle and make a running stitch around the fabric circle piece. Don't cut the end with the needle just yet. Take a bit of stuffing and place it on the fabric circle. Then place the back piece you made earlier and then pull the thread to gather the fabric circle around the back of the button. Make 2 to 3 stitches to secure the fabric to the plastic backing and then trim the excess thread. Fabric cover button is now ready. Make as many as needed. I made 6 fabric cover buttons for this couch pillow. For tufting, I am using wax thread, 12-inch tufting needle, fabric cover buttons that you just made, and normal buttons for the back. Take around 34-inch of wax thread, fold it in half. Insert the folded end through the bead and then insert the loose ends through the folded loop and pull it tight. Now insert the loose ends through the eye of the tufting needle. Insert the tufting needle into the pillow where you need to tuft. Pull the thread tight at the back and then insert the loose ends through the holes of a normal button at the back and tie 2 to 3 knots to secure. Repeat the same process with all the buttons to complete the tufting. Now let's see how I set up the couch. First, I covered the mattress with the fitted sheet. Can you see how this bed is doubling as a garage to store my son's toys? Okay, back to the couch. Then I took the flat sheet and laid on top of the mattress and made it overflow to the front and tucked inside a little bit so that it looks like a bed skirt. Then I kept the couch pillow that we made on the top and added throw pillows for more comfort and aesthetics. So this is how I turned the twin bed into a couch. Hope you like this idea. Do check the blog post link in the description for more detailed instructions and see you all next time with another DIY. Until then, bye bye, take care.